Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Smoothie King Peanut Power Plus Easy Guide. Combine frozen banana, peanut butter, vanilla protein, milk, and espresso or cold brew in a blender. Use measured ingredients and add ice last to control texture. Pulse, then blend on high until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness with honey or extra milk. I will walk you through timing, consistency tips, and serving ideas. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and fast. Measure the banana, peanut butter, protein powder, milk, and coffee so you can work confidently. If you want a thicker shake, use less milk or add more ice. For a thinner drink, increase milk by 2 oz increments. Keep honey or sweetener on hand and taste as you go to avoid oversweetening your smoothie. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. I picked up leak-proof containers that make storing leftover smoothies and prepping snacks a breeze, and they save you from stirring spilled shakes out of your fridge. They fit well in most backpacks and prevent leaks on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by pouring milk and espresso into the blender, then add vanilla protein and peanut butter, followed by the frozen banana and ice. Blend on low for about 10 seconds to combine, then ramp to high for 20 to 30 seconds until the texture is creamy and uniform. If your blender struggles, pulse and use a tamper to push ingredients toward the blades. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.